This is Boots from Cyborg Team. Today I got another keyboard. This is the Gamenote from Havit. So they advertise this as a 60% keyboard, but it has these two extra rows here and arrow keys, which makes this actually a 65%. But who's counting, right? It has 71 keys, has a detachable USB-C cable so that I'm able to use my custom cable here, which makes me very happy. It's on sale for Amazon for $25. Now I got the black version with the clicky blue switches. It's rainbow backlighting it has about 17 different effects. Got a nice weight to it. Has a like silver rim around it. Has a floating keycap style, ABS plastic keycaps. On the back we got some kick up feet, which makes me excited. I always love that. Give me options. Give me all the options. If you don't want to kick it up, it has rubberized feet on the back, so it'll sit nice and flat for you. Got your arrow keys here, dedicated arrow keys, and the alternate functions are your brightness for the backlight and the speed of the different effects. And to cycle through all the different effects, you'll hold function and bracket, and then you can cycle through all your modes there. Pretty standard modes, nothing new, nothing crazy in there. Set up for Windows. As you see, you got the Windows key and your Alt keys. You got some multimedia functions, play, pause, reverse for your secondary functions. Pretty much it. You'll be able to plug this into your PlayStation, your Xbox, your PC, whatever have you. Well, this is the cable that it comes with. It's a braided USB-C to USB-A cable, which is a nice touch. And it also comes with a plastic keycap puller. So now this keycap puller, since I got it in my hand, let's see what kind of switches it has in here. Jixian, Jixian. Never heard of the brand, but I'm sure that they're similar to Otemu's. I do want to test out these clicky switches. So let's load up our typing test here. Typing experience is keys are a bit rattly, feels kind of loose in some places, but this is $25. You're not going to get a real crisp experience. You get this because you just need a keyboard for something, and it's going to get the job done. $25, can't really bash on it too much. Everything you need is there, nice and compact size. It's a bit on the heavier side, I would say. Now this guy is very lightweight. As you can see the difference. Now this is a true 60% keyboard. That's why I said this has got to be a 65% because it has two whole extra rows there. But something like this is nice and lightweight. So if you got it hooked up to your PlayStation or your game, maneuver it, put it wherever you need to. This one here just has just a little bit more heft to it. I wouldn't call it heavy, but it got some heft to it. You got your caps lock on, then the red indicator light will stay on here. But guys, that's about it. I mean, it's $25, gives you what you need. Got your keys, got clicky blue switches, got some backlighting there. If you have any more questions about this keyboard, hit me up in the comments. Also, in the description, there's some links. I need you to click those. Click like, click subscribe, click share, click save. All that stuff helps my channel. Again, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.